find some kind of way out of here. Say the joker to the thief. There's too much confusion. I can't get no relief. Drink my wine, plowman, dig my earth. None will ever own the mine.
Yo!
It's a team effort.
It's a team, yeah. You're about to be off the team, motherfucker. Get it together. You got a fire under your ass now.
I know, because I stopped smoking weed.
You know what I'm getting tonight?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Fantasia. Guess we'll see how tonight goes. Frankie Ford's actually testing. Listen to that chop, boy. Hello, my friend.
What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Frank, wrap up.
Hello. Coming down here?
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to see if you could bring me prep, but if you left already, we'll just...
You're never
Are you
prepared. Are
fucking
you
kidding?
fucking... What the fuck, dude?
There's no prep in the back of Dave's car or nothing?
I told Dave to get the prep. Don't blame me, blame them.
Holy fuck.
What do you mean blame him? It's your car.
So what? It's a team effort.
It's a team, yeah. You're about to be off the team, motherfucker. Get it together.
Let's see it,
Yo! What's wrong with you? Just because you got a tow cam and a fucking exhaust don't mean you're fucking hot shit.
It's not a tow cam.
It's a fucking tow cam.
It's truck doors.
Ah! Was that creatine water? Is it creatine? I'm gonna get fucking pumped up. I'm gonna start doing push-ups out in this bitch.
Was he charging his fucking battery for the 5th time today?
Oh no, we had it charging the entire time we're putting the transmission in.
You got a fire under your ass now.
I know, because I stopped smoking weed.
Yeah, your ass.
I swear to God. I haven't smoked weed in 3 days now.
Really?
Yeah. That's
3
why
days. 3 days.
Yeah.
Fucking, that's a big accomplishment. You want a gold star for
I
that?
know. The only reason I went back last time is because this thing broke.
Oh, look, it's the power management specialist.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I like War Pig, I think.
You like War
I
Pig?
think so.
I think War Pig's a good name.
You can tell them that I'm coming. Tell them that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. I'm trying to tell the world that I'm coming. You can tell them that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. Somebody tell the world that I'm coming. I've been standing on the outside. Looking in, now it's my time.
Water in the headlights made him spin. He called it though. I said, nah, just send it. It's fine.
Yo! Yo!
I drove through miles of ice with this thing.
Oh, we got to do something here.
I could hook my jaw up to it. Really get after it, dude.
Dude, those are tough $300 headlights.
I didn't pay $300. My dad watched me. He's like, you paid for those headlights?
Dude, they can't be that hard to break. Fucking kick it or something. Just crack it with a rock. Oh, fuck yeah. There it is, baby. Come on, dirty.
There you go.
Dude, you're the only person I know that can blow the tires off because your headlight's leaking. Derek wants to know why you won't go on his podcast.
Soon.
Soon? Soon you'll do it?
Literally told me to go fuck my own fist, and now it's 10 o'clock at night on a fucking Wednesday, and you need my help. Isn't that ironic? Yeah, and then now here we are. You know what I mean? Tables have turned, which I knew they would.
I love you. He hung up on me. He's really angry.
Where are we going?
Delaware?
Delaware?
Delaware.
For what, Frank?
Try to get my redemption.
Tell your mom I said hi.
I told you I'm getting you a named Fantasia.
Fantasia?
Yeah.
What's with this video I keep seeing of you dancing in the mirror?
Yeah, baby, I got tantrums now. I'm Casito, and I'm like, yeah, mama. The girls over there are fucking fire, bro.
The paint is peeling, and when the chips are down, you kinda lose all feeling. Your head goes round and round. The paint is peeling, and when the chips are down, you kinda lose all feeling. Your head goes round.
Pass the weed, let a nigga get into his zone. Papa left me all alone in the world to roam. But now I'm grown, millionaires on my cell phone. A year past, not Kanye.
Good job. I'm proud of him.
Did a good job.
He charged his battery this time. He filled his gas tank. He did pretty well. Went right down Broadway.
You look good. Good. I'm proud of you.
Frank's redemption.
Frank's redemption. What are you thinking, bud?
We're in good shape.
Good shape? Fuck yeah.
He's got a driver upstairs.
pig.
Yes, sir.
It's Frank's redemption.
pig.
I'm gonna take back all the bad shit I said.
Fuck yeah.
Too close.
Thank you.
Good job, brother. You're gonna call it, call in the air.
With tails.
Heads. Right lane, left lane. Good luck, guys.
Just give me
All right.
maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Is that cool? I'll do double buy-in. We could go to the casino, but what time is it? I don't care. I'm all high on adrenaline, so I'll go right till tomorrow.
I just want Fantasia. We talked all that shit. All about tonight.
I know. You said you called it too in the car. You said I got a really good feeling. I don't know why.
We got 100 pounds of that shit. My stash house with them bricks. My pockets filled with them stacks. My bitch be gone for flat. She a hot tamale when she pop a molly. It's time to party. We party hard. Drinking, smoking.
You know what I'm getting tonight?
Yeah, I know.
Fantasia.